Hello everyone, Dr. David Kulla here with Synergy Wellness, and we have Peter here. You want to pull your mask up? There we go, Peter. Now, Peter just wants to remain anonymous, and everybody has that right. But what I wanted to do is get a testimonial from him. We saw him before December, back in October or November, actually, of last year, 2021, and we're now about 8 months later. We treated him 3 times for hiatal hernia. We did the hiatal hernia maneuver on him, again, 3 times. I haven't seen him in 8 to 9 months, and he was doing great, right? How'd you do after those 3 visits?
I felt much better.
Did you have complete resolution of all your symptoms?
I wouldn't say complete, but it was like 80% better.
Okay, so he had 80% improvement. He did not follow up. We do not recommend just doing 3 treatments. We recommend doing 3 treatments in the first week, and then another 3 treatments the second week, and then we cut it down to 2. So hopefully this time he, follows my recommendations a little better. But the fact that we had those results for 8 months, 80% improvement is great. We're going to get him 100% improvement moving forward as long as he follows my recommendations. So a lot of people ask me how long does it take? How many times do you have to do the maneuver? It's different for everyone. I can't answer that for you guys. I'm sorry. It's different for everyone. It also depends on your posture. His posture is lousy and his diaphragm is weak, and he admittedly, I think, said that he has not been doing the exercises. Is that right?
Yeah.
Yeah, so he had 80% improvement and he didn't even do the exercises. All we did was the hiatal hernia maneuver 3 times. So this is extremely effective. I can't stress this enough. It is extremely effective. If you're considering surgery, stop considering it. Get this maneuver done first. If you're considering medication, stop considering medication. Have this maneuver done first. This is the first line of defense, not the last line of defense. The last line of defense is surgery. The second line of defense would be medication. But I guarantee you this first line of defense is so effective, you won't even have to think about the second or the third line of defense, meaning medication or surgery, fundoscopic, laparoscopic surgery, okay? We're not even talking that here in this office. We have such a high success rate. We just don't talk about surgery and medication. We get patients off the medication as soon as possible and start the hiatal hernia maneuver right away. So that's Peter's testimonial. Thank you for sharing that with us, and thanks for tuning in. If you guys have any questions or comments, feel free to comment below. But again, I can't tell you how many treatments, but I can tell you this. You want to try it 3 times a week for 2 weeks, then cut it back to 2 times a week for about 2 to 4 more weeks. You should see some changes within 2 weeks, or at the most within 4 weeks. Most of our patients have a much higher, much more than 50% reduction in symptoms in 4 weeks. Usually it happens within a week or 2. But again, every case is different. Thanks for tuning in. Thank you guys so much. If you got anything from this video, or even if you just like this view of the Empire State Building and the Chrysler Building, give me a like and don't forget to subscribe. Appreciate you guys.